How to say offline but read and send messages on WhatsApp. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now you want to do is simply go to the settings and then click on account, then on privacy, and right here you want to change, then tap on last scene. After that click on nobody, and from this point on video can see like last seen at 2 a.m. or something like that, or last seen at 12 p.m. or whatever. So that's the first setting, and then the second one uh, is read receipts. So this one is setting. So this one is setting where when you read a message, the check marks will turn blue for the other person to see that you have read the message. So that's the setting, and from this one it's actually already, yeah, this is actually everything you have to do. Now it seems like you are offline or whatever, and but you can literally still read and send a message. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you.